Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a working auto clicker on an iOS device. If you've tried before, you already know setting one up on iPhone is way trickier than on Android, but I found a method that actually works. So take a quick look at my phone right here. You can clearly see the auto clicker running. It even gives you options: single target mode if you want precise taps, or multi-target mode if you need faster, continuous tapping. To prove it's legit, I'll jump into a game real quick so you can see it in action. Right now, I'm in Tap Titans 2, and as you can see, there's the auto clicker overlay sitting right on screen. The best part? It's already working on its own, with zero extra tapping from me. Obviously, this is just one example of how you could use it, whatever you need it for. Alright, if you want to get it yourself, keep watching. First step, we're going to head to a website. Open your browser, I'm using Safari, but Chrome or any other works fine, and go to clickerios.com. You can type the address directly or just Google it. Once you land on the site, you'll see the app description and how everything works. To download it, just tap the download button and it'll start the process. Right after that, you will be redirected to the page where all you need to do is finish 2 quick sponsor tasks. These are 100% free, require 0 payments, and absolutely nothing shady or sketchy. The tasks themselves are usually dead simple. You might just need to download a free app and open it, jump into a mobile game to reach a specific point, or test out a lightweight tool for a few minutes. Knocking out both usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes total. Honestly, these sponsors are crucial because they directly support the project and keep the developer running, so I really appreciate you taking a moment to complete them. Once you complete both tasks, the installation will start automatically. You'll get a profile setup notification on your home screen. Just tap through it, and the app will be installed and ready to go on your device. And that's actually all of it. I really hope this auto clicker works perfectly for you and that you found the tutorial helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and if it saved you any hassle, drop a like and subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.